Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife, and Tony is incognito, but only because he's in the RV in front of me. I'm in the car or truck, and we are having some service done on that. So right now you just hear from me. He is still in my life, very much so, and he'll get on here as soon as he can. But I just want to kind of get on and get back regular talking with everyone because I really miss all of you. I miss all of you so much. And I enjoy reading your comments. I enjoy the new subscribers. I enjoy the ones that have been with me since day one when I was back to PhD Natural Me. And actually, I said when I was starting this, hey, this is Zelda from PhD Natural Me. And I'm like, oh, wait, I changed my name. So, excuse me. So right now we're just getting some service done on the furnace. I don't know if anybody out there who watches me are into furnaces or anything like that for RVs, but our issue right now is it keeps coming on and off. The sail switch is not yet. The high temperature limit switch, it's not that. It keeps going off, but they replaced that. They replaced the thermostat on the wall. They're checking the duct work now, so I really don't know what it is. But it is cold outside. Baby, it is cold outside. And you need some heat. Thank God we have this oil stand-up heater that we use. I can't remember the name of it, but it's wonderful because it puts out this nice warm heat, and it's for RVs and in home. Nothing where no oil scents or the old. If you think about the old oil heaters, it's not that. This is a very brand new one. Hold on one second. Okay, wait, one more. Okay, I think I'm okay. I'm not sure. It's cold. I get a little froggy throat in the mornings. But, hey, here comes Tony. Maybe. I think he's just looking outside. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and say hi and let you know what we're doing. Actually, he's going to come over, so I hope he can say hi. I'm going to turn the camera so that you can see him. Oh, he's coming this way. I'm recording. So here, come on in. There
Hi.
he is. He has been busy.
Go cut the lights off, Mike.
Oh, yeah. So I was just telling them what we're doing and getting the furnace checked again. We went through all the sail switch, the limit switch, the duct work, the thermostat.
And now they telling us we bought it the way it was, side vents, front vents. Now they're saying it's not enough vents after all that money we spent. So now we got to spend another few $100s because it's not fixed right.
Okay, guys, we will come back to you. We have to discuss this. So I'll see you on the next video and let you know what happens.
Bye.
Bye.